connais une route d'émail qui mène au pays de Père.
Hi there, I'm Jennifer Ziliotto. A little while ago, somebody asked me about other uses for Savon de Marseille on my Instagram. And so today I thought, what a perfect opportunity to talk about this amazing soap. You know, this soap has been around for hundreds of years, and sometimes we forget how a product like this is so fantastic. Like, it's all natural, it's hypoallergenic, it's an antiseptic, it's mild enough to use on your skin or baby skin, but it has just so many great uses. I love to keep this around in each of my bathrooms because of that reason. Of course, I've talked about what a great stain remover it is, but you can also use this as a mild detergent to wash your cashmere, for instance, or to wash anything that needs gentle hand washing, like your bra, for instance. I also did a little bit of research in this adorable book that I absolutely love, that I bought in France, but I have seen it here before in English. And they talk about that you can easily wash also gloves, leather gloves, which is so cool because so easy, and who would have thought, saves on the dry cleaning. I hope you enjoyed this idea. I hope it was informative. Just so you know, the Savon is on sale on my website, so check it out there. Please, as usual, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course, follow me on Facebook and on Instagram.